Hi everyone, in this lesson we are going to talk about HTML list. Okay, now the first thing I want you to know is we have ordered and unordered list. So let's go ahead with the unordered list. So let me comment this. Unordered list. So unordered list usually starts with a UL element. Then what is UL element? UL simply means what? Unordered list, right? So now UL simply means the parent element. So why the content is what? Li, which is what? The list items. So UL simply means what? The parent element that contains what? The list items. Alright? So what this definitely means is an ordered list starts with what? The UL tag. Each list item starts with what? The Li tag. That's just the simple meaning. The item list or the list item will be marked what? With bullets. So when we try to, let's make some lists. Let's item 1, right? So as you can see from our browser, the results, we are having it on bullets. So right now I'm going to teach you guys a trick. So when you have a lot of list, which is the child item or the child element inside a parent element for unordered list, when you have something like this and you want, maybe you have like 5 items, you can say li dot, let's say, if you say li times 2 or times 3, it will actually generate li into what? 3 places. Then once we start saying item 1, item 2, you notice that it will be a pain in the ass because we are actually writing this manually but for ourselves. So I'm going to teach you a trick right now. So we can actually say li times, let's create 5 list items, and the content of this list item should be, let's say, item, right? And we actually want this item, maybe we want something item 1, item 2 serially. And once we say item 1 here, it will actually give every list item the same name, which is what? Item 1, right? So but when we actually introduce what we call a $sign, sorry, this shouldn't be this brackets. Yes. So when we actually introduce a $sign here, Emmet simply understands that it will automatically arrange this serially or assign number to it. Item 1, item 2, item 3. So if we try using the initial method, it would have been a pain in the ass, but using this trick will help us achieve this. So I will just write it here for reference purposes. Times 5 item and a $sign, and I will just comment it. Remember, KC. So that is that for unordered list. So let's talk about ordered list. So ordered list usually starts with OL. So OL simply means ordered list. An ordered list is the parent of what? Its list item. Alright. Ordered list is what? The parent of its list item. So it's still the same thing when we say mango. You notice that ordered list actually comes with numbers, while unordered list actually comes with what? Bullets, right? And as well, you can also use the trick here. Li dot, you can say maybe 7, and you can say maybe mango. You can maybe introduce a $sign for it to work the same way it worked before. So what do we have here? Let's do a recap. We have two types of lists. We have unordered list and we have ordered lists, right? So unordered list simply comes with bullets, such as the result we have here, right? While the ordered list simply comes this way with numbers. So that is it for this lesson. See you in the next one.